Hello everyone, we have a new listing, a special offer, Puyo Dayon scheme. So this is the Persimmon Studio. Nag-offer sila guys og Puyo Dayon, spot 5% only, turnover after loan, take out, free bank fees. So mo na siya guys, no? This is the Persimmon Studio. This is located in Mabulo, Cebu City. Walking distance to SM City Mall. Kini siya guys is kuan lang ni siya guys kanang mao ni kita og dress up unit sa studio unit sa Persimmon Studio. Pero ang gi-offer nila nga puyo dayon kadtong finish unit, kini ka dress up naman finish unit, kuan siya, wala pa siya mga ingonana, no? Wala pa siya mga gitawag og mga additional ba, wala pa siya na kompleto. So makita na ron, no? So sa Persimmon Studio manggod murag naagyod tanan. So lakaw ka paingon sa Mabulo Church ato kag hospital, few minutes lang. Ato ka sa eskwelahan, few minutes lang. So naagyo ni sa sentro pod guys, and they are offering one total savings of 1.4 million. Imagine, barato kayo guys, ready for occupancy. Mo naging puyo dayon. Perting nindota sa ilahang offer, no? Floor area is 24.5 square meters. Ang gross total contract price supposedly, no, 4,079,402. Karon kay ni discount man siya, after discount 2,658,895.95. Reservation fee is 15,000 pesos. So ang imong himuon, you will spot 5% at 117,945. Mora ni mong spot. Then 95% RCBC. So mahigo na lang og 2,525,951. So nagiingon nga notes, units are sold as is where is basis. Meaning kung unsay naa dito, mao gyud na siya. What you see is what you get. So pasabot nila, no? Mo ni ang lobby guys, nindot kayo pud diha napita guys. Dini basta-basta develop by Abuites Land. So no ratifications needed. 27% discount on total contract price. Mo din hitabo guys. Reservation must be converted to book sale within 30 days. No extension will be approved. So within 30 days ra gyud ang iyang reservation guys. So this is a very good opportunity to have a condo unit at the heart of the city guys. So di man na basta-basta ang Abuites Land mo develop pod. So money guys, no, ang iyang lobby, and this is the swimming pool. Ano siya guys, money ang mga amenities. Swimming pool, nakadto na mo ko ni sauna pero dugay-dugay na. Di ka basta-basta sulod dito guys kung wala kay client dala, wala kay buyer dala. So nagdiri na lang tananguha sa ilang website, wa po ta manguha sa ahente sa website yun nila, kay aron ba nga dili ta makaingon nga sila naghagog adto didto nya ako wa. So dire ra ko nagkuha sa ilang website, ato lang gi videohan, no, ilang website nara ni makita ni nato. Basta yanina sa product knowledge of seminar mo ni nahitabo ang studio unit, finish unit floor area 24.5 square meters. Ang tinuod nga presyo is 4,079,400 to. So mao na ang porma sa Persimmon, no. Ano siya guys, nagid siya sa sentro. Pwede rin yung ma-type the Persimmon. So describe niya guys nga live in the middle of it all. So sa tanan nakasatunga, no. The Persimmon Studios is an integrated urban village community located at the heart of Cebu City. The studio towers has 16 floors, direct access to its neighborhood center where familiar concepts in dining and basic day-to-day needs can be easily served. So, ano siya guys, no? Designed in an Asian contemporary theme and offers affordable, ready for occupancy condominium units for city dwellers and smart investment discerning investors. So, adjacent of Persimmon Studios is the Persimmon Plus, a complete neighborhood center featuring familiar comforts in dining, pampering, convenience, and entertainment. It caters to the neighborhood day-to-day service needs, a laundromat, water refilling station, pharmacy, and a lot more. So, muna siya guys, no? So, mo nang overview na to sa Persimmon. Pwede rin na ma-type nimo. Avoid this land, the Persimmon. Anang kuan ka building, no? Pero kini gyud na ibutag limited ready for occupancy. So, mo na siya kanang nice swimming pool. Na diha ang ato ang for sale. So, yeah. Nice swimming pool. So, meaning distance of travel destinations 1.5 km Ayala Business Park or Ayala Center, Cebu. 3 km from IT Park Central Block. 1 km from SM City. 11 km from Mactan Cebu International Airport. And 22.6 km from Chonghua Hospital or Vicente Soto. So man ang typical unit guys. So nibalik ta sa lobby, no. So this is the kuan gitawag as is where is, no. Mao na ang i-turnover guys. Ano siya, finish unit. So dapay kauban, no, mao na sila. See, for inquiries just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. So nindot kay makapa-reserve ka guys kay 1.4 million ang imong savings discount. From 4 million to 2.6 something na lang. Thank you.